Wanna know how to change your skin in snake.io? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. First things first, simply open up your snake.io game. So make sure to watch the video of how to install and pay snake.io. We have also created a video on it. So once you have done that, here you should be on your main menu right here. And down you should be seeing your snake. You're currently unlocked and select that snake. Now if you have any new snakes coming up here, you should be seeing this red exclamation mark. So just simply select it and select the snake icon. And now once I've done that, here you should be seeing various snakes that you have unlocked. So you can also see locked skins as well and unlocked skins as well. Now in order to use a different one, just simply select the one that you haven't used and select use right here. And that's it, you're good to go. Now just simply select play and you should be automatically on the game. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.